Now the whole world can acknowledge me.
Turning this going thing.
Hey guys, I'm your Steady aka Anand. In the last video, I showed you how I sketched the OTC. Now, I'll show you my inking process step by step. Watch in full quality to catch every single detail. You can use any pen to mark the outline. In my case, I have a 0.1 mm outline drawing pen. Don't stress the brand. Any ball pen works just fine. Let's begin, shall we? Always start with the eyes, because even the ancient artists have struggled adjusting them. Now sit back and enjoy the process. And if you're confident about the outline, erase the rough sketch without injuring the paper. The inking process for my tribal chief is finally over. The lines and the fine details are carefully placed to bring out the intensity of the OTC. This came out better than the rough sketch, as it should be. If you enjoyed the process and the result, make sure to like, share and subscribe, because we are not done yet. In the next part, I'll show you how I bring the OTC to life using few colored pencils. So stay tuned for the final step. Have you ever wondered why I post content so late or inconsistent? It's because I've been posting content elsewhere, especially members only section. So if you like to see some extra content, then click the join button from any level until you choose not to, and enjoy the perks as you see on the screen. If you want to get a small glimpse of it, Why don't you start as an expert with just 29 and eventually become the master and so on and so forth until you become a pro? Because we spend a lot of money for things we regret later. This is an expensive world to live, so choose wisely because I don't want to let you down with similar mid-quality videos. I genuinely want to improve the experience for you guys by becoming a tier member, as it will benefit all of us. With that said, thank you for being a member of this channel. Peace.